How you guys doing? This is Val again from Affordable Fixes at AffordableHVACPA.com. Today we're working on a church. Basically doing a full tune-up, replacing some leaking parts and some pumps that are defected and not operating. As you can see here on the table, we have the two B&G pumps, 115. We have the flange kit. We have the valves, 3/4, 1 inch, 1 1/4, 2. Auto feed with backflow. We have the 1/2 inch ball valves, male adapters, some Teflon with the B&Gs. And here goes what we're working today. It's a church here on Roosevelt Boulevard in Philadelphia. Right, we're pumping down the water. As you can see, it's an older style boiler, but it's working well. Just needs a little TLC. We're going to, of course, service it as well. We got a lot over there already taking the B&Gs off. Alright, taking off the flanges. Here goes the auto feed, or backflow. And there goes 3/4 valve, 1 1/4 valve. Another valve, another valve, and here she is. Stay tuned to more of our videos on AffordableHVACPA.com.